Today we will meet Thomas and Sarah.
I am Thomas. I am a boy. This is my sister Sarah. She is a girl. We like to play.
I am a girl. I like to play. I like to play with my brother. We enjoy playing.
Hello, children. Let's go to the kitchen. Sarah is having breakfast.
Hello, everyone. I like to eat bread. I like to drink orange juice. I like breakfast. Thomas, there is orange juice in this jug. Can you pour it into these glasses?
Yes, I can pour it into these glasses.
Thank you, Thomas.
Look, children. Thomas and Sarah are in the field. Let's go and meet them.
Hello, everybody. Sarah and I are flying kites. My kite is purple. Sarah's kite is pink. We love flying kites. I have a purple kite.
I have a pink kite. Our kites are big.
Look, our kites are flying high in the sky.
Children, Sarah is in the kitchen. Let's see what she's doing.
I am thirsty. I need a drink. There are 2 lemons here. I will make lemonade. The lemonade tastes good. It is sour. Lemonade is good for health. Lemons have vitamin C in them.
Thomas and Sarah are in the farm. Can you see what they are doing?
There are a lot of oranges in the farm. Sarah and I are picking them.
And we put them in this square box. How many oranges do we have?
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 oranges.
They look juicy and delicious. Let's take them back.
Children, I think Thomas is doing something. Let's see what he is doing.
I am writing on a piece of paper. I am using a pencil to write. I like this pencil. I have color pencils. I have an orange color pencil. I have a red color pencil. I have a green color pencil.
Hello, children. Sarah is looking at a picture. What picture is it?
It is a picture of the Queen. She wears a crown. She is beautiful. The Queen lives in the palace. She has a diamond ring. She has a crown. She has a robe too.
Hi there! Thomas and Sarah are playing.
It is nice to play in the farm.
The sky is clear and the sun is up. We have lots of fun. It is fun to play in the sun. It is warm. It is bright.
Thomas and Sarah are reading. Let's join them.
We are doing our homework. We do our homework at the table. This is a square table. We do our homework at the table. We have dinner at the table.
It is raining outside. Where is Sarah?
I am here. I am walking home.
Be careful, Sarah. You may get wet.
Don't worry. I have an umbrella. This is my umbrella. I use it when it rains. It keeps me dry. I use it when the sun is up too. It gives me shade.
Thomas, Sarah, where are you going?
We are going to school. Our father will drive us there. We will ride in his van. We like to ride in the van. It goes fast and it goes slow.
Good morning, children. Thomas and Sarah are painting. What are they painting?
We are painting the wall. We are painting it yellow. We are using brushes.
The wall is made of bricks. It is yellow. It is high. A very high wall.
Children, what is Thomas looking at?
This is an X-ray. This is my X-ray. It shows my bones. Look at my X-ray. It is black and white. It shows my bones. I have many bones.
Hello, children. What do you like to play? Let's see what Thomas and Sarah like to play.
Thomas and I like to play with the yo-yo. My yo-yo is yellow.
My yo-yo is green. The yo-yo has a string. It goes up and down. The yo-yo is round. We love to play with the yo-yo.
Children, Thomas and Sarah are getting ready. Where do you think they are going?
We are going to the zoo.
Our father will take us there. We are at the zoo. There are many animals here.
Look at the elephant. It is big. Look at the giraffe. It has a long neck.
Hello, children. This is Annie the apple.
I am a big apple. I am a round apple. I am a big round apple. We are at the farm. There are apple trees here. There are red apples and green apples. The farmer is collecting apples. 1, 2.
Hi, children. This is Benny the bird.
I am a blue bird. I have 2 wings. I can fly high. I can fly low. I can fly in the sky. I can see trees. I can see houses. I can rest when I am tired.
Children, let's meet Carrie the cow.
I am a white cow. I have black spots. Moo, moo. I like to chew grass. I am in the field. It is green and cool. I chew grass. I drink water.
Hello. Who are we going to meet today? It's Duffy the duck.
I am a yellow duck. Quack, quack. I have 2 webbed feet. I can swim. I am swimming in the pond. Look at how I swim. I can swim fast. I can swim slow. I enjoy swimming.
Children, let's meet Mrs. Pam, the mother hen.
I am a mother hen. Cluck, cluck. I can lay eggs. 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs. This is my coop. I can lay eggs. I have 3 eggs. They will hatch soon.
Hi there. Who are we going to meet today? It's Freddy the fish.
I am a small fish. I have fins. I can swim. I am swimming in the pond. Duffy is here. He wants to swim too. But I am hungry. I must find something to eat.
Children, this is Harry the horse.
I am a brown horse. Nee, nee. I can gallop. I like to eat hay. I like to run. I like to gallop. I can gallop fast. I can gallop slow.
Good morning, children. Meet Ian and Indy, the insects.
I am Ian. I am a bee. I live in a beehive.
I am Indy. I am an ant. I like sweet things.
They are my friends. Billy the butterfly. Lydia the ladybird. They are insects too. They love to fly around.
Today we will meet someone new. Martin the mouse.
I am a mouse. I am a small mouse. I have a long tail. I live in this hole. I live in a hole. I love my home. I like to eat cheese. Oh, I see a cat. I must hide.
How are you, children? Look over there. I can see Benny the bird. I wonder where he is going.
I am tired of flying. I need to rest. I will rest in my nest. That is my nest. It is in the apple tree. I will fly to my nest. It is a small nest. I enjoy resting in my nest.
Let's meet someone new today. Robin the rabbit.
Hello, I am Robin. I am a rabbit. I am a white rabbit. I have long ears. I live in a hutch. I like to eat carrots. Carrots are good for health.